the UAE was the first mover on the Abraham Accords, though. Do you see this as a setback for regional economic ties?
Well, the UAE, like I said, going back to the values of optionality, and I think the aspect of as well in the challenges that's happening globally in the world. We want ceasefire. We want the stopping of killing of all civilians. We want a two-state solution to really look at the aspects of between the two nations. We want East Jerusalem to be the capital of Palestine. And I think that's where the UAE stands globally as well. And I think with that said, we need peace. The region needs that kind of slowdown on what's happening. And we need to be very mature when we're taking decisions. I think that's where the UAE is. But nevertheless, the investment opportunities, the attraction of business, the UAE attracts a lot of that kind of thinking, and the UAE is always open for business and doing business globally.
Let's talk about some of the numbers you've just unpacked as well. 7.9% annual growth, inflation at around 2%, interest rates at 5.4%, unemployment at 2.7%. If I have my numbers right. What does the forward outlook tell us? And to another point, the UAE also aiming to double GDP to over 800 billion by the end of the decade. So what specific policies will get us there?
I think the current policies that we're doing is going to stay. I think what we have changed the last 2 years has diversified a lot of things. And we're going to keep on doing that. I think it will take time for the economy to really show these policies' impacts. I think we don't need to change a lot as well in the next couple of years to make sure that we can measure these impacts of these policies that has been changed. The investments, the sovereign wealth funds and their investments in new energy and transition, that's something which is important. The hosting of the COP28 happening next month, the green finance and sustainability we spoke about, the reduction of carbon emission, and nevertheless to not speak about the circularity, circular economy policies that we have initiated. And I'm leading with the multi-international businesses in the world to how to circle the economy and make sure that we recycle a lot of the waste back into the economy as goods. So circularity is an important aspect. But I think where we're going with this as well is let's talk about the number of 5.9% non-oil GDP for the first half of 2023. That is one of the highest numbers that the UAE as well, looking at diversification. This is the real model of showing how UAE is diversified when it has 5.9% of growth in non-oil GDP. And that's why showing that the UAE is less depending on oil and moving towards other parts of the economy.
Which is absolutely critical for the country and the region.